Hello everyone, welcome back to Mass the Military. The Russia-Ukraine war has continued for more than 2 years, and the situation is constantly evolving. The Russian military has been using a large number of suicide drones and cruise missiles to exhaust Ukraine's expensive air defense missiles. With that, the threat from ground missiles has significantly reduced, and the Russian Air Force has become more active in recent months, frequently bombing Ukrainian positions and territories. In the battles around Kharkiv, the Russian military started using guided glide bombs extensively. Since March, Russia has been dropping over 3,000 glide bombs per month on Ukrainian positions and residential areas, causing severe damage. The United States has supplied Ukraine with a significant amount of precision-guided munitions, including precision artillery shells, guided rockets, JDAM bombs, and ground-launched small-diameter bombs. However, most of the weapons rely on GPS satellite guidance. With GPS jammers, the Russian military has significantly reduced the effectiveness of precision munitions. Before we get started, please like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. According to various analyses, the munitions most susceptible to electronic interference are those that rely solely on satellite-based GPS guidance, such as Joint Direct Attack Munitions (JDAM), M982X caliber guided artillery shells, and guided rockets used by HIMARS. The U.S. military has encountered the issue of battlefield electronic interference before, but not as severely as on the Russia-Ukraine battlefield. The U.S. military typically maintains absolute air superiority, allowing it to aggressively target all enemy electromagnetic emission sources, thereby eliminating the threats posed by various radars and electronic warfare equipment. The U.S. ground forces do not face an electromagnetic environment as complex as the Ukrainian forces. GPS guidance is convenient and inexpensive but lacks the highest accuracy. It is vulnerable to electromagnetic interference, limiting it to fixed targets. Laser guidance offers high accuracy and can engage moving targets, but is weather-dependent and requires continuous illumination of the target, which poses a risk to the illuminating aircraft and personnel who can be detected and attacked. The U.S. military has integrated these two technologies into a GPS laser hybrid guidance system, LJDAM. The U.S. has also developed a non-fragmentation small-diameter bomb, SDB, to reduce collateral damage. This 250-pound guided bomb has a range of up to 68 miles. There are two versions, the GBU-39, which uses GPS and an inertial navigation system for guidance, and the GBU-40, which employs infrared seekers and data link guidance for attacking mobile targets. Additionally, Raytheon has developed the GBU-53B Stormbreaker bomb, also known as the SDB-2, which has a range of 68 miles. The Stormbreaker uses 3 guidance modes: millimeter wave active radar, infrared, and laser. Of course, integrating multiple guidance modes enhances weapon performance but also increases costs. Therefore, the U.S. military retains many low-cost GPS-guided JDAMs and laser-guided bombs, allowing for optimal cost effectiveness by using different weapons in different situations. Due to the Soviet Union lagging in electronic technology, the development of precision-guided weapons was slow, and the technology significantly fell behind that of the United States. Russia has emulated the US's JDAM guidance kit by developing the UMPK kit, which first appeared in 2003. The Russian military uses the UMPK kit to modify standard aerial bombs. According to Ukrainian military sources, UMPK bombs are accurate within 26 feet, typically around 49 feet. UMPK bombs can use signals from GLONASS, GPS, BeiDou, and other satellites. These bombs are dropped from altitudes between 6.25 and 7.39 miles, with a glide range of about 34 miles when released from 6.25 miles and up to 37 miles from 7.39 miles. In addition to the simplified UMPK bombs, Russia also uses specially designed UPAB-guided glide bombs, which use inertial navigation and satellite guidance. These include the UPAB 1500, 500, and 50S models. The UPAB 1500 weighs 3,300 pounds and has a maximum range of about 31 miles. The UPAB 500 weighs approximately 1,100 pounds and has a maximum glide range of 25 miles. Recently, the Russian military has started using a small guided bomb known as the UMPB-D-30SN, which employs both inertial navigation and satellite guidance. similar to the US's SDB. The wreckage of this bomb was found on the Ukrainian battlefield in February of this year. The advantage of precision-guided glide bombs is their relatively low cost compared to expensive cruise or ballistic missiles, offering a high cost effectiveness. Another advantage of guided glide bombs is their larger warhead capacity. Tactical ballistic and cruise missiles typically have warheads weighing less than 1,100 pounds. In comparison, the FAB 1500 and UPA-B 1500 bombs weigh 3,300 pounds, containing nearly 1,500 pounds of TNT. The smaller FAB 500 and UPA-B 500 bombs can carry over 660 pounds of explosives. Due to the lack of advanced air defense missile systems, Ukraine's frontline air defenses mainly consist of portable, short-range, and various anti-aircraft guns. These defense systems generally have ranges of less than 12 miles and pose some threat to low-flying Russian helicopters and fixed-wing aircraft, but are less effective against aircraft dropping glide bombs from higher altitudes. Given the ongoing losses of Russian aircraft, the Russian Air Force prefers to use glide bombs as a safer alternative that does not require flying over complex frontline airspace. Well, that's all for today. Please continue to follow Massive Military, and we'll see you in the next video.